Agents are getting pretty good at getting things done fast. For summaries, for briefs, for reports, for recommendations, for a lot of things that can save you a lot of time. Good enough that nobody's stopping to double check the work anymore. But what about the accuracy? The agent's draft can sound confident. The work looks complete. It reads like a 15-year veteran wrote it until a real 15-year veteran looks over it before it goes out of the door. The work is littered with mistakes, wrong assumptions, outdated rules, claims that sound good but will not hold up. It just sounded right, but it wasn't right. That's something no company wants to deal with, which leads to a need for someone to intervene before it is seen by the public. A need for people who know a field really well. Someone that can double check the validity of the output. Someone that can ask, does this actually match what we're selling? Pulling the agent's draft up next to the actual product specs, the actual approved messaging, the actual claims your team already signed off on. Checking it line by line, not skimming it once and moving on. Catching the one wrong assumption buried in paragraph 3 before it goes live with your brand name on it. In medicine, in finance, in law, in engineering, in marketing claims, in research that leads to decisions. Not a full rewrite, just the pass that catches what would have gotten someone fired 6 years ago. The agent handles the first pass and expert handles the sign-off. Quality over quantity and speed. Accuracy is always important. And as more teams lean into agents, this role becomes even more important. If you've ever killed a line of copy because it sounded right but wasn't true, you already know this job. You may not have the title yet, but you already have the eye for what is off. Start there. Leverage your experience. Don't let AI control your worth. Don't let AI eliminate your existence. AI can help you build faster. Your deep field knowledge helps you build correctly. Figure this out early if you haven't already, but I'm sure you have. All right, peace.